The cable step up trains the glutes, more specifically the glute max in its lengthened position. To set up, grab a box or step that's around mid-shin height and place it in front of the cable column. Alternatively, you can use a bench. Place it at a distance where the cable clears the step and you can reach the cable column with your non-working arm. Set the cable to the lowest setting and attach a single arm handle. Next, grab the handle with your working side and step onto the bench. With your non-working arm, grab onto the cable column for support. With your hips square, hinge your torso forward to around 45 degrees and stack your ribs over your pelvis by crunching slightly. For the action, consider the movement as more of a step down than a step up. On the eccentric, hinge your hips back, gently touching the ground with your non-working leg. The goal is to reach 90 degrees with your knee, whilst keeping a vertical shin. On the concentric, step up, driving through and squeezing the working glute to extend your hip. For proper alignment, maintain a vertical shin and forward lean throughout. Using the cable column to pull against with the non-working arm will help you achieve this.